Hope everybody is building and making good Halloween stuff. How's everybody doing? Dave, coming back at you from Sandric Cemetery. It's a quick update on another project I start throwing together. Got a nice big skull from Michael's. Everything's 40% off, so I got this for like $4.25 or something. Then I had burlap laying around, because like I said, bought burlap years ago and use it for many things. And got some liquid latex to play with. Really cheap, 2 bottles for 20 bucks, I think. So I started removing the teeth to the skull, and then just start basically gluing the burlap to the skull using the liquid latex. A couple layers of latex to glue it first, then paint it on top. Make sure you get the eyes really good, sunken in. And you can see in here, glue it to the inside, paint the inside of this dark brown, and then start fraying the edges of the burlap. So the only thing left to do is do some dry brushing and getting in those eyes, the nose, the mouth. Here's the finished scarecrow, along with the liquid latex and burlap, 3/4 inch PVC, and some cloth I got. Dirtied it up, put some Spanish moss on it. That will be out here with Jack Crow up there to the left, and the mini one that my oldest daughter made out of a bunch of Dollar Tree stuff in a stick. I thought that was pretty impressive. There's a new scarecrow. And here's the back of the scarecrow. I had a problem here when the wind blew. It would keep constantly turning around in a circle because it was on rebar up in the PVC. So the thing kept spinning around because it's always windy here in October. So to stop that, I have a cool tip. I have a 3/4 inch T left over. So I put the PVC into that, and then put that over the rebar. And then a spare piece of PVC that I always keep the spare parts, thank gosh. Drill a hole through that, and then I put a stake in it. So this keeps it from moving and circling around. So just kind of a cool tip there if you have stuff that blows around the circle for the wind. So there they are, and at night I'll try and get a shot and put that in the pictures after the video. Thanks for watching. See ya.